HEROS Dental Scope Assembly and Disassembly Tutorial. Welcome to the HEROS Dental Scope Assembly and Disassembly Tutorial. Before we begin assembling the dental scope, let's get familiar with its components. The main components include the endoscope, the pen, the air pressure quick coupling, the universal joint cover, the universal joint mortise, and either the light strip assembly or the dimmable light strip assembly. There are several types of universal joint available, such as the universal joint, hex, universal joint, probe, and universal joint, disc. Dental scope assembly steps. First, attach the air pressure quick coupling to the pen and gently screw it in to ensure a secure fit. Next, select the appropriate universal joint, hex, probe, or disc, based on your clinical needs, and place it into the universal joint cover. Place the pen into the universal joint cover and screw it in slightly, but leave it loose for now. Insert the endoscope from the side of the air pressure quick coupling, guiding it through the pen and into the universal joint. After insertion, bend the universal joint to approximately 85 degrees, then screw the pen into the universal joint cover to secure the connection. Hold the pen and press the rear of the air pressure quick coupling, then insert the light strip assembly, or dimmable light strip assembly, into the pen. As you do this, make sure the endoscope is properly aligned and placed into the groove on the light strip assembly, or dimmable light strip assembly. If you are using the dimmable light strip assembly, connect the three-way tip, use a Type-C cable to connect the charger, and then connect the endoscope to a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or other electronic device. Press the button once to turn on the dimmable light strip assembly. Press and hold the button to adjust the brightness level, and press it again to turn off the dimmable light strip assembly. Once the three-way tip is activated, a stream of air will be released from the front end of the pen. If you are using the light strip assembly, connect it to the 6-hole dental handpiece fiber optic tube, and then connect the endoscope to a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or other electronic device. You can use the aerator foot control to turn on the light strip assembly and adjust the airflow intensity. Releasing the aerator foot control will turn off the light strip assembly and stop the airflow. After slightly loosening the universal joint cover, you can adjust the angle of the universal joint. The vertical range is approximately 30 to 85 degrees, and the horizontal direction allows for a full 360-degree rotation, enabling clinical flexibility. Once the angle is set, tighten the pen again to ensure the structure is secure. You may now activate the endoscope and turn on either the light strip assembly or the dimmable light strip assembly. Dental scope disassembly steps. After use, please follow these steps for safe disassembly. First, power off the light and the endoscope system, then unplug the three-way tip, the Type-C cable and the electronic device. Slightly loosen the universal joint cover, then flatten the universal joint. Disassemble the pen, the universal joint cover, and the universal joint. Loosen and unscrew the air pressure quick coupling, then carefully remove it together with the endoscope and the light strip assembly as one unit. The air pressure quick coupling, the endoscope, and the light strip assembly can be disinfected using chemical agents. The pen, the universal joint cover, and the universal joint are safe for autoclave steam sterilization. Dental scope repeated assembly steps. Carefully insert both the endoscope and the light strip assembly at the same time, then tighten the air pressure quick coupling. Insert the universal joint into the universal joint cover, then attach the universal joint cover to the pen. Insert the endoscope into the universal joint, and finally, tighten the pen. Connect the three-way tip, the Type-C cable and the electronic device. Dental scope complete disassembly steps. Power off the light and the endoscope system, then unplug the three-way tip, the Type-C cable and the electronic device. Slightly loosen the universal joint cover, then flatten the universal joint. Disassemble the pen, the universal joint cover, and the universal joint. While holding the pen steady, press the rear part of the air pressure quick coupling, and gently withdraw both the endoscope and the light strip assembly. Finally, please loosen and unscrew the air pressure quick coupling to remove it.